Hi everyone, Amanda Jane here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to crochet the primrose stitch. This is a lovely stitch and I think you're going to enjoy it for making blankets or for making cardigans, sweaters. It's a really pretty stitch. It's quite lightweight, works up quite easily, and is good for crocheting if you are a beginner. So how do we do this stitch? Now it's sort of reversible. It does look different on each side, but only slightly. And it is the second row that creates the right side of the pattern. So your tail is going to be on the right, for the right side. But we're going to start off with our chain. So we'll do a chain. Now today I'm using acrylic weight double knitting and a size 4mm crochet hook. And we're going to chain a multiple of 3 plus 2. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, plus 2, 1, 2. Now into the third chain from the hook, you're going to do a single crochet, 2 chain, and another single crochet in the same stitch. Then we're going to skip 2 chain, 1, 2, and do the same thing again. A single crochet, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, 2 chain, and another single crochet in the same space. And we're going to skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over through 2, 2 chain, back into the same chain, yarn over, pull through, skip 2 chain, 1, 2, and then it's simply a single crochet, 2 chain, and a single crochet in the same chain, skip 2, single crochet, 2 chain, single crochet, and then we get to the end. So in the last stitch you're going to do a half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 3, turn your work to the left. So now we have a series of little loops created by our 2 chain, and this is where we're going to do our little primrose stitch, and it simply is like a granny stitch in that you're going to do 3 double crochet into each of those 2 chain spaces. So yarn, let me show you on here. Got our 3 chain here, just here, and then we're going to do our 3 chain into the first, 3 double crochet into that first chain space. So yarn over, insert your hook into the 2 chain space, yarn over, we've pulled a loop, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, do 2 more into the same space, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, skip over to the next 2 chain space and do our 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Skip across, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 3. We're at the last one of our small sample. So remember, it's a multiple of 3 plus 2. It's the number of chain you need. You can just make this as wide or as narrow as you like. When you get to the end, you're going to do a last double crochet into that first turning chain. Just turn your work slightly towards you. We do one chain and turn our work. So that's our first row of primroses. And we're now going to just work like we did before. This time we're going to, we've done our turning chain, we're going to skip that very first stitch at the bottom of our work here, and we're going to work into this stitch here, which is our middle double crochet. You can see that that's the first one with its top, that's the second one with its top, and that's the third one, and we're going to work into this stitch just here. I'm going to do one more turning chain, so 2 there. So we're going to work into this stitch here with our combination of a single crochet, 2 chain, and a single crochet into that middle double crochet. Skip 2, single crochet, 2 chain, single crochet, skip 2, 1, 2. Just keep making sure that you're selecting that middle double crochet from the row below. Skip 2, single, 2 chain, and a single. So we're creating our little loops. Reach the last one, single, 2 chain, and a single, and then we find the top of our turning chain, which is just here, and we're going to do a half double crochet into that turning chain, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn our work, and there you have it. That's the first set of 2 rows. Now we're just going to repeat these, the row of double crochet and the row of little loops over and over again. So we find our chain 2 space just here, and we do our 3 double crochet, 2, 3. I'll just get some more yarn here. You might have to just find with your fingernail exactly where to place your hook. One, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. This produces a really pretty pattern with very little effort and very little memory. You don't have to memorize much, which is always good. It's not like some stitches. I just caught the yarn there. When you get to the end, you need to identify that turning chain, and you want to do a double crochet into the top of the chain 2 turning, just like so. Chain 2, turn your work. And then we're off to the races with our little loops again. You can keep checking that you've got the right number of clusters as you go across. So remember, we're going to find our middle double crochet just here and do our combination of the single crochet, 2 chain, single crochet, skip 2, single crochet, 2 chain, single crochet in the same space, skip 2, single crochet, 2 chain, and single crochet, skip 2, and here we are, nearly at the end of this row. Skip 2, single crochet, 2 chain, single crochet, and then a half double crochet into the top of the 3 chain, the 3rd chain from the row below. 1, 2, 3, turn your work. And there we have it. Here is our primrose stitch. So let's have a look at the bigger sample. I think it shows up really well in the pink actually. Lovely shades here. Not really very primrosy, but a really lovely stitch. Now if I just stretch it slightly, you can actually see the pattern a little bit better. It's actually a really lovely stitch. So I might use this for a summer top in a finer yarn, and use slightly bigger crochet hook. So it could take a little bit of a larger crochet hook if you wanted to. It would still be nice and give you a nice drape. But for a blanket, this is perfect. I would use the weight of yarn, and a crochet hook that matches, because this is lovely. It makes a really lovely blanket. So there we have it, the primrose stitch. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment and let me know what you're crocheting at the moment. Press the subscribe for notifications of upcoming videos. Click on that bell and give us a thumbs up to spread the word. Take care. Have a great day.